Liz Gilardi asked the governor about the vaccine rollout today, and Liz, he said we just need more of it.
Absolutely. And despite pleas for more vaccines, Governor Jared Polis says the state will hit a milestone this week. He did express frustration at the vaccine supply, and he knows Coloradans are frustrated too.
We're in a race against the virus, a race against time. Every dose counts, and there is no time to waste.
Vaccine distribution is ramping up. Governor Jared Polis ordered hospitals to use second doses of the COVID-19 vaccine right away. That means an additional 40,000 people age 70 and up will get their first dose earlier than expected.
I mean, it is frustrating how slow we are receiving vaccine for any group.
By the end of the week, 1 in 5 Coloradans age 70 and up are on track to receive their first dose of the vaccine. The governor says although it's promising, he knows people are frustrated.
A lot of the problems and frustrations that we hear would be gone if the state received 3 or 4 times the amount of vaccine, because we'd be able to essentially get to everybody over age 70 who wanted it this week.
Governor Polis says vaccine distribution will only get better with time, and his office is working on ways to make sure it's equitable. This despite newly obtained numbers showing a significant disparity in vaccine distribution for Black and Latino Coloradans.
And we look forward to partnering with community-based organizations to make sure that we can have stand-up clinics in areas that are hard to serve. That's why we also work in the San Luis Valley in some of the very lowest income zip codes in our entire state.
And the governor was also asked when the state might expand the current age group to 65 years old and up. He said at this point, it's really hard to say. And again, that goes back to supply because the state doesn't even know how much vaccine they will be receiving next week, let alone in the coming weeks. Reporting live, Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.
Yeah, we definitely need more. All right.